Hello and welcome back. Today we're wrapping up the final open trade and potential we had. So we will be doing a setup scan, scanning all the pairs like usual and seeing what's normal. But before we start doing that, we'll have a look on Bloomberg like we usually do. Let me look at something. So exactly 4 months. No, sorry, not 4 months. 4 weeks. 3 weeks. Sorry. Tomorrow is 3 weeks till Jan. Yeah. Regardless, on Bloomberg, the only real thing that's worth looking at a little bit for our context, and if you're an investor as well, it's pretty interesting, is the Meta IPO. Meta going potentially, or even more than that. No, not the Meta IPO. Sorry, the SpaceX IPO. And the whole shift towards the AI indulgement in that. And I've read this headline. Was it said Meta's pivot from open source to money making AI model. Yeah, nothing really important here. What we're looking for is the usual wars, not just conventional warfare, but also trade wars, that kind of thing, scary things. None of that is really going on. Let's have a look at SPY. SPY is still trending up. Nothing really to comment on. So the dollar index is probably going to go a little bit down. But it is stable now, especially for how it historically acts. These are 2-week candles, which means that each one of these are 2 weeks. We don't trade on a time frame that high. We trade on the 1 day, 12 hour, and 8 hour. Let's get to the trades we're in, or the stop order we're in. So this will be the final chance this candle gets. There is 4 hours for it to close. You can have a stop order on this one still. Let me look. You should move your sell loss a little bit. I'm going to do that after the video ends because I'm going to enter this stop order myself. Like that. Let me see. Yeah, it's alright. If it continues going up, just cancel it. The trade is over with. Yeah, it's not too interesting. And the momentum on it is too sluggish for me to want a breakout on it. For breakouts, we kind of want momentum like this, going right through SR areas, not consolidation and minor price movement. This trade has been invalidated. It didn't go up to the resistance, unfortunately, hitting double resistance with the 200 MA and the SR area, making it now an invalid trade. So let's look through the pairs. Closing in on Christmas. This could have been something on the AR, yeah, it could have. This is the continuation I was looking for, but the candles were too big, even on the 8 hour. What the fuck is this? ATH? No. This was the breakthrough that was traded. This was a very nice trade. This is interesting. Here we could have a continuation. We're going to discuss it properly when we go through the potentials. Let's just scan through these. What does this look like? Would you look at that? Oh, okay. Say less. This could be something right now. Let's reevaluate things. So this is almost ATL, right? Let's see what this is in correlation to. Yes, it is correlated with previous lows. So that might mean a breakout is triggering right now. We're going to look at the ruble. And mind you, I'm up 6.3% already, so yeah, that could be one trade and I'm out. Most likely not. Most likely not. I can take 2 trades. All right, let's get these summarized. That's a lot of potential as well. So on this one, there is double support here with the 200 MA coming down on it. It might have already been triggered. Yes, it has. But we need the 4-hour close. Don't enter before it's closed. This would be a really nice 8-hour entry for a continuation. Looking like this. Below the low of the candle, like that. And go with the trend. Don't go above previous highs. Like that. And you got yourself a potential setup. If the candle closes well, I'll mark this one as a green because I will enter that. That looks very nice. If the candle closes correctly. For this one right here, this is triggering right now. Here we do have a, I'm going to enter this one myself as well. We do have a, let me just see that the range fits for it first. So might not, I want the longer SL for this. That might not be viable. Okay, it is viable. This is an interesting setup. I'm going to enter that after the video is over. Here, I'll be looking for some kind of development. Yeah, this is trending hard up. This is what I'm talking about when we're looking at breakouts. Hard movements. Same for this pair in terms of the continuation. We just need a close indecision candle. I keep it like this for now. And on the ruble, if you're CFD trading, I'm looking for a breakout right here. Yeah. Let it go up a little bit more and then hop in the breakout. With that said, that's all I've got for now. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment on YouTube. You can also hop in my Discord. My Discord is free. It's nice people in there. I got a lot of stuff going on, beginner guide, that kind of shit. Some free info shit where you can learn, recommend brokers like Pepperstone, IC Markets. Nothing's affiliated. Don't worry about that. I don't make money off of YouTube. There's a reason there aren't even ads on the videos, bro. With that said, we're said and done for, okay? Wagwan. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.